Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. YouTube Shorts monetization strategies. This is our complete guide to YouTube Shorts monetization. I'm going to share how to monetize YouTube Shorts step by step so that you can start making money on YouTube with your shorts. For this video, we're going to be looking specifically at how YouTube pays you themselves from shorts. Yes, there are lots of other ways that we can make money from these shorts being on YouTube. But the first thing you're going to do is that you need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program, which means that we need to hit YouTube's minimum requirements to be able to do that. So the first stage or the first level that we can unlock with the YouTube Partner Program is really the fan funding. This is where you will need to have 500 subscribers on your channel. You'll need to have 3 public posts in the last 90 days. And then you'll either need to have 3 million valid short views on your channel or 3,000 public watch hours on your long form videos. That will unlock YouTube's fan funding capabilities. So that's where you'll have access to YouTube supers, super things, super chats, super stickers, and channel memberships. So the supers are really a donation model. So when it's enabled, someone can click the thanks button under your videos and they can send you a super thanks that way, a donation that way. There's super chat, which is in your live streams, and people can donate to you. And very similar to that is super stickers, which again is on live streams where people can send you stickers, which are donations too. Whereas the channel memberships is more like YouTube's answer to Patreon, where your channel members will pay you monthly to get access to certain perks. So it could be that people are joining your channel membership just as a donation to you to support the channel, but you're able to set up different levels of donation where people can unlock stuff. So it could be that they're getting early access to videos before they make it to your channel. Maybe they're getting exclusive access to content. Maybe they're getting members-only live streams. This is also where those members can unlock different badges and emojis when you're live, and also so that they stand out in your YouTube comments too. So the first tier of monetization is supers and the channel memberships. But it's worth noting that with whatever money you receive from here, it is a 70-30 split with YouTube. Meaning you, the creator, get 70% of that revenue after fees and taxes and all that stuff, and YouTube keeps 30%. Moving up from that to the full YouTube Partner Program, this is where we can unlock the ad revenue section on YouTube and also things like YouTube Shopping. But this does come with the higher requirements to unlock this level. So you will need to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel and either 4,000 public watch hours of long-form content or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. And you've also got to be in a country that supports the YouTube Partner Program. So once you're at this level and you've enabled the ads monetization, then this is where you're eligible to make money from YouTube ads that are served around your shorts that people are viewing. So I'm going to try and simplify this because it's not so straightforward of how you actually earn money from ads around shorts. So YouTube collects all the money from ads that are shown between shorts and they're putting it into one big pool each month. Let's call it the ad revenue pool. And part of that revenue also gets split up to cover things like music licensing for people that are using music in their shorts. Now, irrespective of if you're using YouTube's copyrighted music in your shorts or not, this has no bearing on how much you earn at the end of the day. So you're not penalized for using music in your shorts. So that ad revenue pool becomes the creator pool, less the money that is going off to cover music licensing. From there, that revenue is distributed out amongst eligible creators based on their shorts views. So for example, if your shorts get 5% of all eligible views, then you would get 5% of that creator pool money. But then the piece that you actually get to keep the creator share here is 45% of that revenue that's been allocated to you based on how well your shorts performed, with the other 55% going to YouTube. And you can also see that for different ways that you can make money from YouTube, YouTube themselves are taking a different cut depending on what it is. The other monetization method is unlocked at this higher tier in the YouTube Partner Program is YouTube Shopping. And this is where you're able to promote products from within your video content and around your content where it's displayed in different areas on the platform. So you have the ability here to connect this to your merch store or something like your Shopify store, and you can tag your own products in your videos. You also have the ability to tag products from other brands in your content too. Now, YouTube Shopping right now is something that really hasn't been rolled out in too many places. It is out in the US and a few other places as well. So hopefully they're going for a more global reach with this very, very soon. But there's one more level to the YouTube Shopping, and this is the one that I'm most excited about. And that's the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. So for this one again, you will need to be in the YouTube Partner Program. You also need to have 10,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. And right now you need to be based in the US or in Korea for this one. This only just rolling out, but this essentially lets you link off tune your short and other content on YouTube to other products as an affiliate, meaning you can earn a commission or a one-time fee when someone buys that product. Now, YouTube does have a pretty significant list of companies and merchants that are already involved with this, and there's some pretty big names on there. But this is also something that they're actively building out as well. But as for the commissions or the percentages of what you'll earn, this is actually set from the company level, and it's going to come down to a product by product basis. But in terms of enabling the monetization, once you're at those minimum requirements, no matter which one you're looking at, you want to log into YouTube channel, go up to your studio dashboard area, and then down here on the right hand side, you can see we've got earn. And then in here, we can enable the different types of monetization methods. You can see them all listed out across the top here. So for our channel, we've got watch paid ads enabled here. We've also got shorts feed ads as well. You can see we've got access to memberships here as well. We do have supers on the channel. So the super things, super stickers, super chat. I've also got access to shopping here. If you sell merch or any digital products, you can set this up. I'm really looking forward to the affiliate side of things because that's one of the biggest ways that we can make money from our YouTube channel is through affiliate marketing. So I think it's awesome that they're testing that and slowly rolling that out from YouTube as well. But once you've linked up your products and everything in here, when you go to upload a YouTube video, you'll have an option there to tag a product or to tag multiple products in that video. And then when your viewers are watching those videos, they'll have the option to go and view and purchase those products. Now, if you're not at the point where you're eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program, or just yet, still head to this tab here, Earn, and it will tell you how far away you are from those milestones and from those minimum requirements. But there's also an option on that page where you can click to be notified once you are at those levels. And once you're in the YouTube Partner Program and you're earning money from YouTube, you can always jump into your analytics area to check out your earnings, and you'll see the breakdown in here for the different types of content that you've got. So those are the ways that you can make money on YouTube Shorts. There's lots of other ways that we can make money off of YouTube too. Things like affiliate marketing, brand sponsor deals, etc. And that's all for today's video. Before we end this video, I'm extremely thrilled to show you Tuberank Jeet 6 AI, which is the most recent and most advanced version of Tuberank Jeet. This version includes a lot of artificial intelligence all around the app. Automate your YouTube SEO with AI and community intelligence. Get unlimited organic YouTube traffic with rankings that stick forever. Grab the secret tool that has helped build thousands of high-traffic YouTube channels. Get more views, subscribers, and build an audience for any channel you choose. Paid ads not needed. Backlinks not needed. SEO and language skills not needed. AI enhanced and AI powered optimization at every single step. Write and rewrite your titles, descriptions, etc. with AI. Discover keywords and hashtag alternatives using AI. One-click optimization with AI. The ultimate YouTube research tool for any niche and topic. Tested and approved by YouTube. Use community-driven intelligence and AI both to rank your videos. Optimize and rank videos for any language and region. Perfect for agencies and service providers. Claim your free organic YouTube traffic with the least possible work. No more juggling dozens of complicated and expensive tools. No more burying your head in books trying to figure it all out. No more watching your traffic, sales, and future prospects dry up. Helping thousands of YouTubers rank to the top every day. Before, Tuberank Jeet 5 was available only for Windows, but now Tuberank Jeet works natively on Mac OS. All features are now available on Mac. So what are you waiting for? Get Tuberank Jeet now. Just go to tuberankjeet.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.